New city, new adventure. I'm in Ho Chi Minh, Saigon, Vietnam. Just landed. Checked in the hotel, actually they don't have a room yet. So I'm going to explore because I need to meet this guy at 6 o'clock this evening and it's only like 10 o'clock in the morning. So stay with me because a new adventure begins. Day number 1, Ho Chi Minh City. Just got in the market now, guys. Quite busy here. Pretty cool and colorful. I need some food because I'm starving. And I got these spring roll with pork and skewers as well with pork and rice and salad. A bottle of water. I don't think I paid $4 US. They actually gave me some change in Vietnamese money. It's pretty good so far. I'm not jet lagged, but I'm really tired because basically I haven't slept for a day, like an entire day. I was thinking to sleep on the plane and it actually didn't happen because we had like 2 very strong turbulences in the air for a good hour, and I admit I kind of shit myself as well. So far it really reminds me a bit of Philippines in terms of vibes and traffic and stuff like that. I haven't seen much, but I keep you posted. I'm gonna eat my spring roll because I'm starving. Guys, that was Ben Tan street food market. Let's go explore the city and see what we find. And tips number 1 goes on crossing the road again. Wow, that's an experience. As always, that's one of the top 5 tips. Look what I found, guys. Don't ask. There's someone in there. Another lady stopped me with her mom. So we started to chat. Apparently there's a temple right here in this park. So let's check it out. I love temples. You should know, guys, by now. Found this park. Let's see if I can do a muscle up. Sorry guys, didn't like it. I got 3 guys already coming around me because I had the camera out, so I just leave the muscle up. Maybe I find another bar. So yeah, another tip, always tie up your bag around you. For your camera, put a strap and just wrap it around your hand, around your neck. Don't let it hang on the shoulder and stuff, because I heard there's a lot of pickpockets and people on the scooters just passing by grabbing stuff, so make sure you got your stuff tight in your hands. Right guys, I promised, so I found another bar. Let's see if I can. Ooh, low energy. Guys, I'm in the hotel Blessings, a 3-star. So I'm just going in the room now. Hopefully I have my own room. Hotel Blessings in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. Yeah, so I booked through these G Adventures, and basically you can choose your type of tour or holiday you want, and they plan the whole thing. So you just pay in advance your flight, and they, you know, book the accommodations, the internal flights and so on. We also have some activities booked like hiking, kayaking, cycling. And we're going from Ho Chi Minh, so from this town up north to Hanoi in 10 days. So I need to have a nap because I'm really dying now. Keep you posted.